Good afternoon, everyone. For our next session today, I would like to invite our founder and CEO Rajpreet Kaur to share the Sechi's happiness model and our vision. Rajpreet is an MBA from MDI Gurgaon, a certified FRM, and a gold medalist from the Indian Institute of Foreign Trade, Ministry of Commerce. She has also completed her entrepreneurship program from Wharton. Being a computer science engineer, she aims to solve real life challenges women face using new age technology. She is blessed with a beautiful 6-year-old daughter of Bani and married to Amandeep Singh Munyal. After a successful corporate career of over 15 years, straddling both corporate treasuries and the banking industry, Rajpreet discovered her calling as an entrepreneur and founded Fantastic Brand Series in 2020. Rajpreet has always been very passionate about women and happiness. The coming together of her rich corporate experience and this passion resulted in the launch of Sechi's, India's first holistic women happiness platform that provides personalized solutions towards challenges faced by women in career, relationships, and health within a trusted environment. Without much ado, I would request Rajpreet to take over. Thank you.
Thanks, Ashna, for the lovely introduction. I'll just share my screen. Is everyone able to see my screen? Okay. So welcome everyone once again. Opportunity to be presenting to you my Ikigai Seichis. If there's one common aspiration that binds 3.7 billion women, then that is happiness. I'll just quickly start with a small video.
Are you truly happy with your life?
I'm blessed to have reached where I am today, but it's neither easy getting here nor being a female CFO. Besides that, I have to work harder than my peers to prove myself. So as a result, my health and my family life take a backseat.
First, I had to change my job when I got married. Then, I had to completely leave the corporate world when my daughter was born.
Well, I had a great job right after MBA, and it's been an exciting 2 years. But now family pressure is increasing on me to settle down.
That's a good question. Let me think about it.
Women mostly live with their problems on their own or try to solve them individually. But can she really do it alone? Well, the odds seem to be against her. India has dropped on the happiness rating from 118 to 144, and one of the key reasons cited has been the need of social belonging that is missing. While women have come a long way in India, the urban female workforce participation is only 21% as per data published by ILO. And these are all pre-COVID numbers. Bridging the gender gap can not only have a huge social impact, but also an economic impact. We interviewed 500 plus women across personas and age groups, career women, homemakers, students, and 3 key themes emerged from the challenges being faced by women, which were career, relationships, and health. The women acknowledged that the problems are real. The solution space exists, but it is highly fragmented. They didn't know whether it will work for them. There was lack of trust in the various service providers. They didn't know whom to go to. And that's where Say Cheese comes in. Say Cheese is the first platform in India to offer personalized, and holistic solutions to help women solve real challenges they face in career, relationships, and health. And we do all of this in a trusted environment and enabled with technology. We have a simplistic happiness model, which I would like to share, which is the foundation of all our service design. It is based on global research, based on a lot of theories around happiness, the market research that we've conducted with over 500 women, and the real experiences of the team. At the heart of it lies self-awareness. We believe that it all starts with an inward journey. Even if you're very successful, that doesn't warrant happiness. While the three pillars, being career, relationships, and health, are very, very important, and there are 4 cornerstones in the happiness model: progress, control, experiences, and gratitude. No matter what task you take, if you're not progressing in that, you won't be happy. You need to be in control of your life, your reactions, to be able to have sustainable happiness. The experiences that you have and what you'd like to share, the gratitude you have, and imagine how happy you feel and how the other person feels. So all of these are inbuilt in our service delivery. We start with self-awareness, where we have a proprietary assessment happiness evaluation report, which gives you your happiness score. So right from the time the user enters the platform, we give a detailed evaluation. We recommend the users to take their Ikigai assessment, which is also available live on the platform. Then we guide the users to take coaching modules. We have collaboration with International Coaching Federation, and a lot of experts are present today on the table activities that you'll see later. We help them to guide them to coaches who can actually help you identify the cause of the challenges that you're facing. And after that, the real solutioning starts. There are various solutions around career, relationships, and health, a lot of engagement. This will be the only platform where a complete computerized, personalized journey would be available. There will be self-learning tools which are scalable, which you can do at your own pace. For homepreneurs, there's service and product e-commerce. Ours would be the only platform and the first platform in India to launch both service and for women. There are clubs and a lot of exciting features that we are working on and should come live this year. All of this is enabled through cutting edge technology, and we have several use cases for those. The journey would look like self-awareness, coaching and mentoring, finding your Ikigai, taking you to the clubs, and then ultimately you would be a part of an ecosystem where once you have identified the 6 or 7 challenges at a given point in time, we would enable you with various service providers and solutions which can really make your lives better. This is a very brief, I'll just run it for a few seconds. This is the assessment which is live on the platform. So after this, you get a detailed report. I just want to thank my team members who have worked tirelessly day in and day out and made this successful. There are a lot of the world a happier place, one woman at a time, together. Thank you. Thank you. We will be available in the arena later for any questions that you may have. I would also request people to keep checking the alerts button because we are running contests which are live. Please fill your Google Forms to win the grand prize, and use the lounge area to speed network and meet as many people when the sessions are being announced. Thank you.